Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, and share my videos, and I'll continue to make more videos each week for you guys. So in this video, you won't see me putting on the nails because unfortunately I recorded it, but somehow I lost the clipping of when I was actually doing the polygel. But these are polygel nails. You can always look at one of my previous videos and you will definitely see how I put on the polygel. So I'm just showing you how I put on these stickers. I wanted to get a, well, it was inspired by the ocean really. So I wanted to have that light blue color, and I wanted to have some water somewhere, and I also wanted to have sand and maybe some fishes or something of that nature. So here I have I got some stickers. These are 6D stickers. So I just put those onto the nail, and then I'm adding some polygel, some clear polygel there, just to get the dripping look of water. So it's very easy. The hardest part was really to get the nails done using the polygel, because of course you'd have to shape them, and then when I was through, I filed them down to make sure that they are smooth enough, and then I put on the stickers. These stickers, you just need to peel them off. I think I had to put them, yes, I had to put them in water first, and then I took them out, and then I just paste them onto the nail, and that's basically it. They're very easy to use. Just peel them off, paste them onto the nail. So you put them in the water first, and when it separates from the sticker separates, so once it separates, you just stick it onto the nail. So remember guys, when you're using polygel, you also need to have a slip solution that helps to soften the polygel. So that's why you see me dipping the brush. So I'm just putting it in the slip solution so that I can move it around much easier. Alright, so that's basically it. Very simple, very easy. It looks complicated, but it's really not. You know, when I started out, I didn't think I could even do a set that looks like this. All it takes is your imagination, really, and because I love art, I'll always be able to create these sets because it's something that I love doing. So as you can see, I've added the glitter. I'm so sorry, but somehow when I was adding the glitter, that part of the video, I don't know, I can't find it, so you may not have seen all of that part where I was adding the glitter. But all I did was just to put some base coat so that the glitter will stick to it, and then I just sprinkled it where I wanted it to be, and I cured it under the lamp. That's basically it. And that's some silver glitter that I got from my local store here, that I put on it. The stickers I got from my local store, and the Polygel, I ordered those on Amazon, as well as that white Polygel nail. It's actually not Polygel as usual. I use my white gel polish to put in the clear Polygel to make it white. So that's the result. I think it turned out pretty good. Actually turned out much better than I thought it would, being that I'm not such an expert on using Polygel as yet, but I think I'm getting there so far. So it actually looks much better in person. But I think it turned out pretty good. So that's it for today. So I do hope that you continue to watch me as I grow in my nail journey, and I do hope that you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.